Local news for Thursday, the 26th of September. Kia ora, I'm Brent Gare. Wairarapa Police are launching a new initiative called AWHI. It's a referral program. For example, if police speak to someone living in a car, with consent, the officers would seek to refer to an appropriate service to assist with budgeting and housing. Any service that would like to participate can contact Shane Nolan at Wairarapa Police. The Environmental Issue Farmer Roadshow is in town today. It'll be held at the Carterton Event Centre, with the meeting set to discuss the Ministry for the Environment's consultation from 12 until 2. The beef and lamb meeting will run just before from 9:30am. Figures obtained as part of the 2019 Ratepayers Report league tables have revealed some interesting results for ratepayers. South Wairarapa came in with the lowest personal cost per household, Masterton most efficient based on households per staff member, and Carterton the lowest operating costs in the country. And in sport, nomination forms are out now for the 2019 Hockey Wairarapa Awards, with 15 categories ranging from the Players of the Year through to Team of the Year and Volunteer. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.